Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. Let us talk about the very famous talk of the town, the three farm bills that have been passed. The Lok Sabha passed three agriculture sector bills which will replace the existing ordinances. The number one is the Bill on Agri-Market Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 provisions. To create an ecosystem where farmers and traders enjoy the freedom to sell and purchase farm produce outside registered mandis under the state's APMCs, to promote barrier-free interstate and intrastate trade of farmers' produce, to reduce marketing transportation costs and help farmers in getting better prices, to provide a facilitative framework for electronic trading. Now the point which are in the opposition of this bill are: states will lose revenue as they won't be able to collect the mandi fees if farmers sell their produce outside registered APMC markets. What happens to the commission agents in states if the entire farm trade move out of the mandis? It may eventually end the MSP-based procurement system. Electronic trading like in ENAM uses a physical mandi structure. What will happen to the ENAM if the mandis are destroyed in the absence of trading? Bill on Contract Farming. The Farmer Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020 provisions. Farmers can enter into a contract with agri-business firms, processors, wholesalers, exporters or large retailers for sale of future farming produce at a pre-agreed price. Marginal and small farmers with land less than 5 hectares to gain via aggregation and contract. Marginal and small farmers account 86% of the total farmers in India. To transfer the risk of the market unpredictability from farmers to sponsors, to enable farmers to access modern tech and get better inputs, to reduce cost of marketing and boost farmers' income, farmers can engage in direct marketing by eliminating intermediaries for full price realization, effective dispute resolution mechanism with redressal timelines. Farmers in contract farming arrangements will be the weaker players in terms of their ability to negotiate what they need. The sponsors may not like to deal with a multitude of small and marginal farmers. Being big private companies, exporters, wholesalers, and processors, the sponsors will have an edge in disputes. Bill relating to the commodities. The Essential Commodities Bill 2020. The provisions of this bill which are in the favor are to remove commodities like cereals, pulses, oilseeds, onion, and potatoes from the list of essential commodities. It will do away the imposition of stock holding limits on such items except under extraordinary circumstances like war. The provision will attract the private sector FDI into the farm sector as it will remove fears of private sector investors of excessive regularity, interference, and business operation. To bring investment for farm infrastructure like cold storages and modernizing the food supply chain. To help both farmers and consumers by bringing in price stability. To create a competitive market environment and cut wastage of farm produce. Price limits for extraordinary circumstances are so high that they are likely to be never triggered. Big companies will have the freedom to stock commodities. It means they will dictate terms to farmers which may lead to less prices for the cultivators. Recent decision on the export ban on onions creates doubt on its implementation. So ladies and gentlemen, this was all about the bill that has been passed related to the farming sector. Thank you so very much for watching this video. You are watching KSGindia.com and stay tuned for more updated and informative videos. Thank you.